Imagine Sarah. She's been battling a chronic condition for months, feeling the weight of uncertainty and frustration. Despite her frequent hospital visits and numerous consultations, a lasting solution seems just out of reach. But what if there was a way to change her story, to offer her a new path to wellness? Today, I'll explore how healthcare analytics consulting can be that game changer. Sarah's story isn't unique. Many patients face similar struggles. Hospitals collect mountains of data, but often struggle to use it effectively, leaving potential insights untapped. This is where healthcare analytics consulting steps in, bridging the gap between data collection and actionable insights. It's like having a detective who can sift through the clues, patient histories, genetic information, lifestyle data, to piece together a complete picture of a patient's health. Imagine being able to see everything clearly, guiding smarter decisions for better care, and ultimately improving patient outcomes. Now, think about Sarah's treatment. What if her doctors had a more comprehensive understanding of her condition? With analytics, her doctors could craft a plan that's as unique as she is, tailored to her specific needs and circumstances. By analyzing her individual data, they could tailor a treatment plan that considers her entire medical history, lifestyle, and even genetic predispositions. It's like designing a custom suit. When it fits perfectly, the results are life-changing, offering comfort and confidence. Through predictive analytics, Sarah's doctors could foresee complications before they even arise, allowing for preemptive measures. It's like having a crystal ball, allowing them to act proactively rather than reactively, significantly improving patient care. This could mean fewer hospital visits for Sarah and a smoother road to recovery, giving her more time to enjoy life outside the hospital. Let's zoom out to the hospital where Sarah is treated. The benefits of healthcare analytics extend beyond individual patients. Healthcare analytics doesn't just improve patient care, it makes the entire operation more efficient, benefiting staff and patients alike. By identifying and optimizing workflows, analytics ensures that hospitals can provide care exactly when and where it's needed most, reducing wait times and improving service delivery. Sarah's doctors are the heroes of this story, but even heroes need the right tools to succeed. With accurate, real-time data, they can make decisions based on solid evidence, not just intuition, leading to more effective treatments. It's like giving them a map to navigate complex cases, leading to better outcomes for patients like Sarah, and ensuring no detail is overlooked. If you're wondering how to bring these benefits to your patients, Vuelitics is here to help, offering expertise and innovative solutions. We specialize in advanced analytic solutions, from integrating data systems to developing predictive models, ensuring your data works for you. Let us help you transform your data into actionable insights and write the next chapter in patient care, making a real difference. Curious to learn more? Visit our blog, link in the description. And if you're ready to start your journey, reach out to Vuelitics today. We're here to support you every step of the way. Together we can turn your data into the breakthrough that patients like Sarah deserve, transforming lives and healthcare as a whole.